There is no more perfect shelter. The huge rocks on the roof weigh millions of tons. The space inside can accommodate a family of 3, even if war breaks out. The huge rocks on top can also protect against missile attacks. This is just perfect, because Bogang is not true love. After being discovered by my wife, I immediately kicked him out of the house. He walks for a day. I found a crack under this big rock. Feeling unsafe, he decided to rescue here today. Bogang took out his cloak. Start clearing the weeds below. You can see that the ground here is very smooth, and no snakes, ants, mosquitoes, or insects were found. But Bogang felt that this was not good enough.